Everybody, Chan Shady's here and welcome back to another video. As I promised today, we are back in assoluto grip racing and we are going to be, well, you guys are going to be getting my first impressions on this BMW M3 drift car that I've been telling you guys about. I know that I put up a TikTok about a week ago at this point saying that I was going to reveal a drag car in No Limit 2.0, but I promise you that'll be the next video after this. As of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this X3 M3 that I was not expecting to get in the slightest. So real quick, I'm gonna jump in here and I'm gonna look at what the specs on this thing are. Okay, not paint, performance, race exhaust already, stock brakes. I'm actually finna go ahead and upgrade those to race brakes just because. Transmission, stage 3 engine, I skipped over. Okay, it does have racing suspension, fully built turbo, semi-slick tires, makes sense on a drift car, and it doesn't have any weight reduction, oddly enough. It comes stock with 918 horsepower, which is a lot. And if I wanted to, I could bring it down to just under 1,200 kilograms. I'm going to keep it at 1,400 though, so I can get a feel for what the car is like stock. So with that being said, let's do, where could I go? You know what? Let's go to the docks. I usually always go to the airport for these kind of things, but let's go to the dock. Kind of curious, actually. How will this thing do in the docks? 10 minutes. Keep it on semi-slicks. All right. Has a whole lot of turbo flutter. Spins through first, second, spins through third. Okay, gets traction in fourth, but how well does it actually drift? Okay. Right off the bat, back end already feels really loose. I can say that much. Back end is really loose. Yeah, this thing slides around no issue. I may have to do something to the suspension, maybe lower it down so the thing isn't like using as much body roll as it is right now, but other than that, it's really loose. I mean, man, okay, it's fine. This isn't like in a career mode or anything like that anyway, so we don't gotta worry about it. By the way, if you didn't notice already, I did mess with this car a little bit off camera. I didn't actually drive it, but I went in and I painted the brake calipers red just to see if it would look better. It kind of looks better. I mean, it didn't really change the looks all that much because the brake calipers is kind of just such a small detail in this particular case. This thing drifts really nice though. Ooh. Yeah, first gear, okay. If it drops down to first, then it struggles a little bit with high speed stuff out here, but once you get it in the second, it's pretty good. How will it drift in third? Yeah, third is for really long sweepers. Third is for freaking massive, like, third is probably made to drift around like the assoluto, like in-game track or whatever it's called, the assoluto circuit. This thing can get it though. I kind of wish it had like a wing or something. You know, just even if it's only a lip, I kind of wish it had something on the back just to kind of add to the looks instead of just all those holes back there. But that's just me. Also, it's kind of sketchy for me to go out here because half the time I can't see where the pier ends. This thing's a solid drifter though. I should take this thing into an actual career mode and see how many points it can rack up. Because I mean, it really does drift really nice. No surprise that this thing has, well, I was about to say struggles for traction. I mean, it has to struggle for traction because it's a drift car and it has to be sliding, but no surprise that it slides as easy as it does with, what was it, 918 horsepower, I believe it was, back in the menu. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. There we go. Tightens up the line really nice too once you get off the gas. That's another thing. I really like that. I really like it when the car does that. Just automatically goes to a tighter line once you let off the gas because it knows it doesn't want you to like go super far. Like that right then. That was really good. I hope this thing's got a good radiator because we've been banging it off regularly for pretty much the entire run. Okay. There we go. There we go. Right here. Woo. This thing's nice. Almost cut the pier too much there. It's fine though. Actually. Yes. Oh, that's amazing. I kind of wanted to do it while drifting and only have my front tires go over, but even so, that's still amazing. The only thing I even put on this thing was race brakes. Other than that, I mean, the only thing race brakes is going to help with is putting the thing to a stop. I mean, seriously. This thing feels pretty quick, though. It's got some pep in its step for sure. That's real nice. Pause it right there, go into photo mode. Oh, dude, it has like the old like yellow headlights. That's amazing. They're not like perfectly clear. They're tinted yellow. Oh, I love that. I actually love that. That looks good. Looks really good. Okay. I'm actually going to back out of this because I've done all the drifting that I want to do. Real quick, I'm actually finna go to Nürburgring. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and see what this car would do on the back straight. Because I don't know how many gears it has. I know it has a whole lot of horsepower and, well, it weighs 1,400 kilograms. So it weighs about the same as what my GTR kind of weighs right now. But sure, 2 laps because it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to make a U-turn right off the bat and go to the back straight. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh Lord, okay. All right, right here. Fourth gear. Oh geez. Okay. So it'll step out in fourth gear if you're not careful. Oh Jesus. All right, floor it, floor it, floor it. Oh wow, it doesn't even have a sixth gear. All right then. So 178 is where it tops out at. Man, I was really hoping this thing would be a little quicker, but 178, that's still not terrible. I mean, that's really still not bad at all. Holy crap, that's a bad wreck. Okay. I'm going to leave out of here, and that's probably going to do it for now. Actually, real quick, I want to try this. One lap. I don't want to make this video too terribly long, so I'm trying to kind of just trying to hurry up and get this over with. I don't want it to be too much over 20 minutes, if over 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, it'll kind of do it. It'll kind of do it. I mean, I'm slightly overloading my phone right now and it's not doing the best job at loading in the smoke textures at that high of a speed, but even so, it'll do it. Yeah. All right. Big slide right here. Check out the photo mode again. Oh, yeah. I love that. Oh, the headlights don't light up on this track. That sucks. That's a really cool view right there, though. I like that. All right. Nice. I had to let off the gas right there because my head was itching. I had to stop to scratch it. Big slide through there. Oh, geez. Oh, wow, my game froze. My game actually froze for a second there and it made me lose focus. That sucks. There you go. BMW M3 drift car. Honestly, I like that thing. I was hoping I would get more than like 600 something credits for that, but yeah, I like that thing. I like that thing a lot, actually. It's a really smooth drift car. Thing spins its wheels at the drop of a needle. I mean, you barely got to tap the gas in this thing sideways. I mean, it works really nice as a drift car. This is probably going to be my dedicated drift car now. But it's probably going to be my dedicated drift car, and I'm probably not going to use the RX-7 up there anymore. I'm probably just going to go ahead and start using this BMW because it drifts really well. But that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later.